In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to begin Isolde's Thorn. I'm just using a little bit of scrap yarn I've got, so it's not the yarn that was used in the neck warmer. I have already completed a chain of 71, as you can see, and now I'm going to single crochet into the third chain from the hook, 1, 2, 3, and place a single crochet in this. This counts as 2 stitches because the little twist at the side counts as a stitch. Now I advise to put a stitch marker into this little stitch here, so as you can see it at the end when you turn and come back across, so you don't miss it. Now the first row is just simply a single crochet into each chain across. Right, I've reached the end of the row. I created 2 stitches in the first one with the work in the first stitch, because that creates 2. Then I've worked up an additional 68, which now totals 70 stitches across. Now I'm going to turn and I'm going to chain 1. This chain does not count as a stitch. Now I'm going to yarn over. I'm going to insert the hook into the back loop only. Yarn over and pull up a loop. I'm going to pull that first loop on the hook through the second loop on the hook. Then I'm going to yarn over and pull through both. And I'm going to do that again. Yarn over, insert into the back loop only. Pull the first loop through the second loop. Then yarn over and pull through the remainder. Yarn over into the back loop only, pull up a loop, pull the first loop through the second loop, yarn over and pull through 2, and you work that across the entire length. So you work the first initial one and then 69. I'm nearly to the end of row 2. I've got 2 stitches to go. I'm just going to make certain that you don't miss that last one. And turn and head back and create row 3. Starts the same way. Chain 1 doesn't count as a stitch. Yarn over, insert the hook only into the back loop, pull up the loop, pull the first loop through the second loop, come on, go through, oops, yep, then yarn over and pull through both. Yarn over, insert into the back loop only, pull up a loop, first loop through the second, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, into the back loop, pull through again. So you just basically repeat row 2 3 times. So this is row 3, it's the same as row 2, and then row 4 will be exactly the same. And then you're ready to start on your darts.